So welcome back. This is the final sequence of the first week, and we'll talk about some of the resources you have at your disposal for learning more. But let me start by telling you that actually this course is really self-contained. You will not really need anything more than what is provided in the learning environment. But anyway, if for the curious mind, there are quite a lot of resources which are available in the web and for free. But the first pointer I would like you to follow is to go and check out the OCaml.org community website. This is a new website that has been evolved over the past years to bring together the community. You will have documentations, information on the packages, news, tutorials, a lot of things which are interesting to use, even if you don't need it for the course. Then you can get help using forums and mailing lists. Let me start by saying very clearly we really suggest that you use a forum which is provided in this particular MOOC here in the learning environment. The reason is that you will find other people like you which are progressing at a similar pace. There are teaching assistants that know exactly what is going on in this course and are specifically here to help. The other people is going to use exactly the same environment. You will have support with the learning platform and everything. So this is really the first place where you have to go. And in general, you should not need to have anything else. But if you really want to have a look, there are interesting mailing lists to explore. There is your OCaml beginners group or Yahoo groups, which is a beginners list. And there is an official OCaml list, still run by INRIA, where confirmed OCaml programmers go to post questions, post information. But this is an advanced mailing list. As always, the Netiquette is the same. Search archive first before asking a question. Don't ask elementary questions on the advanced mailing list, etc. Start with the MOOC environment first. But you also have books and manuals available. So there are many resources, very valuable ones, which are available for free online. The first one is the OCaml System Documentation User Manual. This comes from the real designers of the language. The latest and always up-to-date version is available exactly from this link here. Of course, this is not a tutorial, okay? It's a documentation user manual. If you really want to have this precise specification of each feature of the language, that's the reference point. And then there is a book which was written in the year 2000, so yes, 15 years ago, but still quite valuable, from Emmanuel Chailloux, Pascal Marie, and Bruno Pagano. It was originally written in French, translated into English. It is available for free, again from this link here, developing an application with Objective-CAML. So it doesn't cover the most recent advances in the language, but for the introduction is really beautiful. And if you really want to know more about the theory behind all this, I would strongly recommend you have a look to the course notes by Didier Remy from Applied Semantics Summer School, which was held in the year 2000. This gives you really the understanding of how the system works inside from a theoretical point of view. But then if you look for more recent resources, there are many which are non-free. There are quite a few books which are available in English and in French. Again, go to the OCaml.org community website. You have a pointer here with all the books which are known today. So in conclusion, now after this first week, you should now be set up to enjoy the course. You have discovered the environment, you know where we are coming from, and so we are really looking forward to see you for the next week to start a real technical journey with us.